How entrepreneurs can build a business the right size for their lifestyle. What are the benefits of owning a small business? There are many benefits to owning a small business. Perhaps the most obvious benefit is that you are your own boss and have control over your own time and schedule. Other benefits can include having a more flexible work schedule, being able to work from home, and having the potential to make more money than you would working for someone else. How do you know if a small business is the right size for you? One important consideration is your own work style and preferences. For example, if you thrive on working long hours or enjoy the challenge of building something from scratch, a smaller business might be better suited to your personality than a larger one that has more established systems in place. Other key considerations include the amount of time and money you have to invest in building and running the business, as well as any other commitments you may have outside of work. How can entrepreneurs grow their business while still maintaining a good work-life balance? Growing a business while maintaining work-life balance can be an entrepreneur's biggest challenge. Here are some entrepreneur tips on how they achieved it. 1. Set boundaries from the start. When you're first starting out, it's easy to get wrapped up in work and let other aspects of your life fall by the wayside. 2. Hire help if necessary. If you find that your business is growing faster than you anticipated or that you simply don't have enough time in your day to manage all aspects of the business on your own, consider hiring help. 3. Prioritize work-life balance. Above all else, it's crucial for entrepreneurs to prioritize their work-life balance as they grow their business. With a bit of planning and effort, it is possible to have the best of both worlds. What are some common mistakes entrepreneurs make when trying to grow their business? One of the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make when trying to grow their business is failing to plan properly. Without a clear roadmap in place, it can be difficult to set goals and track progress. Another common mistake is failing to properly assess the market potential for their product or service. Without understanding the size and scope of the opportunity, it can be difficult to set realistic growth targets. By avoiding these common mistakes, entrepreneurs can set their business up for success as they strive to achieve growth. What are the steps to starting a small business? First, you need to come up with a business idea. This can be something you're passionate about or an opportunity you see in the marketplace. Once you have your business idea, it's important to do some market research to assess the potential demand for your product or service. Next, you'll need to develop a business plan. This will include everything from your target market to your marketing and sales strategy. Once your business plan is in place, it's time to start raising money. This may involve going through the process of securing a loan or investing your own personal savings into the business. Finally, you'll need to get started on the actual process of setting up your business. This can involve everything from finding a physical location to hiring employees. How can you make your small business thrive in today's economy? One key approach is to focus on building strong relationships with your customers, both existing and potential. This can involve providing excellent customer service, listening to feedback, and regularly engaging with your target audience through social media or other marketing channels. Another important strategy is to invest in continuous improvement and growth. This means making regular investments in marketing, employee training, and product development that will help you stay competitive over the long term. How can you get over the fear of failure and take the necessary risks to succeed? Many people are afraid of failure, but it's important to remember that failure is a necessary part of success. So how can you get over your fear of failure and take the necessary risks to succeed? One key approach is to reframe your mindset and see failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. This means focusing on the positive aspects of failure, such as what you can learn from it and how it can help you improve in the future. Additionally, it's important to set realistic goals so that you don't become overwhelmed by the possibility of failing. When beginning your venture, opt for starting small and focusing on quality over quantity. Ultimately, success in business comes down to having the right mindset and taking necessary risks. With hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your failures, you can build a business that truly scales with your lifestyle.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.